Have you ever wondered that you can record your own sound effects for your videos? What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, please subscribe, that would be appreciated. So today I'm gonna show you how I record my sound effects for my videos. Let's jump into it. So there is this promo which I can play and show you too. So what I'm doing here is placing a cloth and making a wrinkle. So I'm gonna mimic the sound effects. So what you actually have to do is you don't have to exactly use the same products you use in the video, but you can just mimic the sounds by using any products, any objects you want. You just have to make it sound similar to what it sounded in the video. So for the cloth sound, I'm just taking this I don't know what it's called, some paper bag. So I'm recording here on my phone using Dolby Atom's native app for recording. Let's hit record. I'm gonna make sure the microphone is as close as possible to the sound I'm going to produce. Hit record. That's done. That's it. It's so easy and simple that you can mimic any sound in your videos by using any objects or anything you find in your house. So the next one is actually me wearing a gloves. So I have a gloves here. So I'm just gonna mimic the same thing which I'm doing in the video. Let's move up our microphone a bit. Let's play it back so that I can know what I'm doing. Okay. Hit record. So you don't have to rely on only one time. You can record multiple times so that you be sure it matches to your video. So I'm just going to mimic the same thing again. We are done. It's so simple and easy. So I'm just going to proceed with my video. So I'm using a plastic bag and charcoal here. So I'm gonna mimic the plastic bag sound with a, let me find something. So I just found this plastic bag. I'm gonna hit record. That's it. So we are done with this. I'm just gonna place it here. I don't want that sounds to be recorded in my video. So the next thing, me putting charcoal and a product for my photography. So I'm gonna mimic both by using something let's just take this clamp here, keep the microphone close, hit record. I'm using my hand too here. For the sounds like thuds and heavy thuds, you can just use your hands and make sounds like this. When you match it with the video, it will sound like it's coming from the realistic sounds. Done. So the next thing, again the charcoal, so I'm gonna use the same effects from the previous one. Again this one is me switching on my RGB LED light, so I'm gonna mimic that sound by using the same light I have here. Let's keep the microphone a little bit up so that I can place my hands. Hit record. If you can see, I don't know if you guys can hear this or not. I'm just making the same sound which I'm making in the video. I'm just recording it for multiple times so that I can use different patterns and sounds. Done. The next thing is me moving the hands, and here I'm using a clip. Attaching a clip to my light, so I'm gonna mimic the same sound, and then me putting the light just like that. Hit record. Done. So the another one is me putting the light behind, so I'm gonna mimic the same sound here. Hit record. I guess that's it. And the another one, me sliding my light under the cloth, so I'm gonna use the same light, mimicking the same sound effect. Hit record. Never forget to hit record. Yeah. Keep the mic closer. Just check the pace once. You don't need to make it so fast or slow. I have to do it in the same pace. And the next one, me putting the product again, so I have already recorded that. I'm gonna use that one only. So here again, this is also a simple third. I'm gonna use the previous sounds only. You don't have to record every time. You can use the same third sounds we recorded. That's it. It's done. Rather than searching for sound effects online, you can record your own, which sounds better in quality and sounds realistic and saves you a lot of time, because the time it takes to search online for sound effects is insane. Points to keep in mind when you record sound effects. Keep the mic close. When you bring the mic closer, you have better chance at reducing noise and much better audio quality. Keep the surroundings noiseless. Turn off the fans, ACs and any other appliances which produce noise and sound, and close your windows, doors in the room you're recording. Have the reference video playing on loop. This will help you record the sounds exactly what you are seeing on screen, and your brain will be isolated to imagine the visuals for that particular sound. Produce similar movements sounds. When you are mimicking sound, try to make the same movements you did in the video. That will help you generate much accurately matching sounds. Record each track separately for its own sound effect. If you record everything on one single track, then you will have to manually check for every single sound. But if you record each sound on its own track, now you can rename it, and also it saves your time in post. I used my phone and an external mic and recorded on Dolby Atmos app, which I will show it to you in another video how good it is, how to use it and all about that. But you can record it on your phone as well. I will be uploading more videos like this and also other behind the scenes videos to help you guys understand better and give you budget friendly solutions. So please subscribe, hit that like button and bell icon. Thanks for watching this video till the end. See you in another video. Bye bye.